Hello friends, today we are going to see the next set of questions that been asked during interview. Okay, let's jump into it. The first one is, what is the init method used for? The init method is a special method in Python classes that is automatically called when an object is created from the class. It is used to initialize the object's attributes and perform certain tasks. If you see the example, we have the class called person and you see two methods. First one is the init method and the next one is another method with just a print statement, and with the next line you can see the object P is created with the name nickel. So what happens is, when you create an object, it will go to the init method and sets the value. So in this example, it sets the name in self.name, and the next line we are calling the say hi method. So when you call it, it will go to the say hi method and prints hello, my name is nickel. The nickel is received from the init method. And one more thing is, this method is also known as constructor. Okay, let's move on to the next question. How do you define a function in Python? A function in Python is defined using the def keyword, followed by the function name, parenthesis for parameters if any, and a colon. The function body is indented based on the name. In the following two examples, the first one is a function without any parameters, and the next one is a function call with two parameters. Okay, let's move on to the next question. How do you create an object in Python? An object is created by calling the class as if it were a function. The class acts as a constructor, initializing the object and returning it. In the example, you can see the class doc, and you have an attributor, that is doc, and now you are creating a function called tummy by using the class and the parenthesis. So this will create an object in the name of Tommy. Okay, let's move on to the next question. What is inheritance in Python? Inheritance is a mechanism in Python that allows a class to inherit properties and methods from another class. This is the class subclass concept. We can see this in detail in the next videos. For now, just an overview. It enables code reuse and supports the creation of hierarchical class structures. What is method overriding? Method overriding is the process of defining a method in a subclass that has the same name as a method in its superclass. In simple way, the class and subclass have the same method name. The subclass method overrides the implementation of the superclass method. This also we'll see in detail in the upcoming videos. Let's move on to the next question. What is encapsulation in Python? Encapsulation is the process of bundling data and methods together within a class. It allows for data hiding and controlling access to the object's attributes using header and setter methods. What is polymorphism in Python? Polymorphism is the ability of an object to take on multiple forms or have multiple behaviors. In Python, polymorphism is achieved through method overriding and method overloading using default argument values or variable length arguments. Okay, let's move on to the next one. What is a generator in Python? A generator in Python is a function that returns an iterator. It allows you to generate a sequence of values on the fly, conserving memory and improving performance. What are decorators in Python? Decorators are a way to modify the behavior of a function or class without directly changing its source code. They are defined using the decorator name syntax and can be used for tasks like logging, timing, or modifying function arguments. And the last question is, what is a lambda function in Python? A lambda function is an anonymous function in Python that is defined using the lambda keyword. It is a shortened way to create small one-line functions without explicitly defining a function using dep keyword. Following is the example with the lambda. These are the basic interview questions. We'll post more videos on this. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.